Good morning, students. I am from KV Mathandam. Today, I am going to discuss the question number 8 from exercise 4.3 for class 9. First, I read the question. In country like USA and Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, whereas in countries like India, it is measured in Celsius. Here is a linear equation that convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. F is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. First, draw the graph of the linear equation above using Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit for y-axis. Number 2. If the temperature is 30 degrees centigrade, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? Question number 3. If the temperature is 95 degree Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in Celsius? If the temperature is 0 degree centigrade, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? If the temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in Celsius? Question number 5. Is there a temperature which is numerically the same in both Fahrenheit and Celsius? If yes, find it. So this is the question, and main part is here and sub part, that means the part of the question. So we will first try to understand. Here a linear equations is given here. You have already solved the linear equation, but at that case the variable which are used, that is x and y, but here some change is there. Look at here. Here variable are Fahrenheit, that means F, and another variable is C. Two variables. In the previous questions you solved by x and y. Now we go for question number 1. Look at here. Here draw the graph, that means with the help of this equation you have to draw a graph using Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit for y-axis. So we think f is equal to y, that means our equation we will like this. Y is equal to 9 by 5 x plus 32, like this. But we should not write y is equal to 9 by 5x plus 32. You have to write f is equal to 9 by 5c plus 32, because it is given. I have just connected because this type of equation you have already solved. So first we go for solving equation. Question number 1. You have to draw the graph. So this is the equation. As I have told you, f is working like y and c is working like x. So first we find the value. Look at here. If c means x and f means y, so if x is equal to 0, then what happen? So we put f is equal to, since 9 by 5 into 0 plus 32. So if c is equal to 0, then f is equal to 32, it will be 0. So 32 first coordinate, second coordinate. If c is equal to minus 40, then f is equal to 9 by 5, put the value of c, that is minus 40 plus 32. Cut it. 5 8 4, 5 8 is 40, that means minus 72 plus 32, that is minus 40. So if c is equal to minus 40, then f is equal to minus 40. So we get two coordinate. Look at here. Now we will plotting it as a graph. Look at here. This is the graph. So we will find the coordinate. One is 0 32, one is 0 32. Where is the coordinate? Where is the point? Look at here. This is the point. This is the point. 0, 32, x coordinate is 0, look at here, and y coordinate is 32. And another point is minus 40, minus 40, minus 40, minus 40. Remember that in the fifth question, if you remind, it says that a numerical value which are equal, that is minus 40, minus 40. Okay, we will discuss it at question number 5. Here the point is minus 40, minus 40. That means x coordinate is minus 40 and y coordinate is minus 40. So just we join the 2 points, join these 2 points, then we get the graph. And you should always write the equation of the graph. So this graph is completed. Now we come to the question number 2. It says that if temperature, look at here, question number 2 says that if the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, that means C is given here. What is the temperature of Fahrenheit? You have to find out the F. The value of C is 30 degree, it is given here. So we just put the value. Look at here, C is given 30 degree. Just put, you have to find the value of F. 9 by 5, just value of 30. Now cut it, 5 6 is 30, 6 9 is 54 plus 32, it is here, that is 86. So therefore temperature in Fahrenheit, F is equal to 86 degree Fahrenheit. So question number 2 is solved. Now we see the question number 3. Look at here, question number 3. If the temperature is 95 degree Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in Celsius? That means F is given here, you have to find the C. The value of is 95 degree Fahrenheit. Let us come. Look at here, the value of F is 95 degree Fahrenheit, मतलब F का value दे दिया गया है. So we will put value of F like here 95. Then 95 we transpose 32 from right side to left side. So 95 minus 32, that is 3 6 63. It is clear. In the right side 9 by 5 C. So here 5 will be multiple with, look at here, C is equal to 63 into 5 bata 9. 9 7 is 63. So 7 into 5, that is 35. Look at here, it is 35. Clear? So the temperature in Celsius is 35 degrees centigrade. So question number 3 is completed. Now we will solve question number 4. First we read what condition is given here. Here, if the temperature is 0 degree centigrade, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? And if the temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in Celsius? Two questions are given here. First one, if Celsius, that means C is equal to 0, then what will be the F? And second question, if F is equal to 0, then what will be the C? So we come for question number 4. Look at here. First condition, if C is equal to 0, then we will put C is equal to 0, then F is equal to 32. First condition is completed. That means written here, if C is equal to 0, then F is equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit. In the second part, if F is equal to 0, look at here, if F is equal to 0, that means the value of F will be 0. So if F is equal to 0, then what happened? 9 by 5, C is equal to minus 32. Just look at here, we transpose 32 from right side to left side. So whenever we changing the side, sign become change, so it is minus 32. And now 5 into 32, that is 160 by 9. Look at here, I will just write 9 C is equal to minus 32 into 5, that is 160. Look at here, 160. And what happened? C is equal to 9 will be divided minus 160 bata 9. Look at here, this is here. When you divided minus 160 by 9, you will got 17.77. So this is F. So this is F. This is the value of F. If it means if Fahrenheit is 0 degree centigrade, then the value of C is equal to 17.8 degree. 7 is more than 0.5, so it round it round it at 8 degree. Means minus 17.8 degree Celsius. Okay, this is the 4 part complete. Now we see the fifth part. Look at here, fifth part. Is there a temperature when is numerically the same in both Fahrenheit and Celsius? If yes, find it. इज देयर एनी वैल्यू, दैट मीन्स क्या कोई ऐसा वैल्यू है जहाँ पर सी में सी का वैल्यू जो भी हम पुट करेंगे एफ का भी वही वैल्यू आ जाएगा, बट इट इज़ न्यूमेरिकल. ओके, so and this question is very important in the competition exam. This question many times asked, what is the value of C and F? Numerically both will be same. So we see the question and now we'll go for solving. Look at here, I have already told you. Look at here, this is the numerical value, both are same. Question is equation is given the same, so minus 40 and minus 40 is the value, numerical value, which are same. Now come here and see question number 5. Look at here, here condition is given that numerical value are same, that means which value, the value of f is equal to value of c. It says that both will be same, just put, we can take any one, either f or either c, just we put the value of c is equal to f. Look at here, then what happened, 9 5 9 by 5 transpose f from right left side to right side, so it will be minus 1. Look at here, which is given here. Again, when you solve it, you will get 4 by 5 f. Now plus 32 is transposed from left side to the right side, that is minus 32. Now just f is equal to minus 32 into 5 by 4, so cut 4 is 32. Now 8 minus 8 into 5, that is minus 40. Look at it, f is equal to minus 40, as f is equal to c. Look at here, f is equal to c, it means both value f is equal to c. So if f is equal to 40, then c is equal to also 40, sorry, minus 40. So this is the numerical value, this is the numerical value where c and f are same, and that is minus 40 degree. Thank you.